Hi everyone. Now we here at Middlesex Health are the official healthcare provider for the Connecticut State Golf Association, and we offer cutting edge care to golfers all across the state. I'm here with Dr. Jeffrey Chen of Middlesex Orthopedic and Spine Associates to talk a little bit about golfer's elbow. It's pretty common?
It is pretty common, but actually tennis elbow is more common in golfers, despite the names. And they're kind of two very similar processes, and both of them affect, one side of the elbow, the outside or the inside. The tennis is lateral or the outside, golf is medial or the inside. And both of them are kind of overuse injuries. And what happens is with chronic repetitive motion, we start to see some micro tearing, a micro trauma of the tendons that come from these parts of the bone. And with continued use and time, that can get worse and worse and lead to persistent pain. So, common manifestations are pain at the elbow, pain with gripping, pain with the swing, pain with lifting things that are heavy. These are very common symptoms of both golfers and tennis elbow.
Yeah, so what do you suggest if someone is feeling this pain?
Well, there's a lot of treatment options for this, and they range from very conservative to aggressive. And, I like to take patients through the full spectrum of treatment from conservative all the way up to invasive. And usually what we start off with is something simple, like exercises for the elbow. There's some very common exercises that can be patient guided. They can do them at home and we can instruct them how to do it. Some of the other treatment options are physical therapy. And there's a lot of alternative treatment options such as ultrasound therapy or microneedling that we can talk about. And there's bracing, there's pain medications, there's injections, and at the very end there's surgery, but it's very uncommon for these conditions to require surgery, but it does exist for patients that have, recalcitrant symptoms.
All right, well, all good information, and folks can always call you at Middlesex Orthopedic and Spine Associates, which is affiliated with Middlesex Health.
Absolutely.
All right, Dr. Chen, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Stay safe, everyone.